One person asked, hi, where can I get a home equity line of credit for my investment property? Wells Fargo is not offering HELOCs currently. Thanks. Uh, I would say that pretty much always going with like local or regional or smaller banks is generally going to be better unless you do a significant amount of like wiring. You rely heavy on like app usage, or you really need like the really expensive bells and whistles for like international travel. Maybe I don't know. I don't fully understand the perks of going with these larger banks, but when it comes to investment properties, when it comes to giving you the best deals on property related assets, then the big banks are likely going to be the least favorable people to deal with. So I'm kind of happy to hear that Wells Fargo isn't currently providing any HELOCs. I would recommend strongly that you go and form a relationship with a regional or local credit union, a smaller bank branch. They are going to be significantly more agile. They are going to be able to focus specifically on your property. They're going to know the area. They're going to be significantly more comfortable with the collateral and potentially overtaking it if things go south. Consequently, they're going to give you better terms because it's in their wheelhouse. And, with Wells Fargo, with Chase, Bank of America, a lot of these banks, I mean, they're so vast that, these are the ones that are utilized by the really large institutions, right? So they might be the same kind of service that these large institutional clients of these large banks get, you will likely get at one of these smaller regional banks because proportionately, you're going to be about the same. I would not advocate using big banks for specific items. Now, I will say that larger banks give significantly better credit cards, especially if you're looking for like rewards points or whatnot. Local credit unions do not excel in that arena. There's a time and place for both of them, but if I was looking for a home equity line of credit, if I was looking for a loan on an investment property, if I was looking for an unsecured line of credit, if I was looking for anything related to my small business, the Chases, Wells Fargo, Bank of America are not even on the top 10 of places that I would look. Form a relationship. If you go into one of these small local credit unions and you can set up an appointment very quickly with like the vice president of commercial lending or mortgages or the vice president of anything, then that's when you're in the right spot. Find a bank where you can just pop in on one of the vice presidents, and then you'll be in good hands.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.